how to change clock style and color on iPhone standby mode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color and the clock that is displayed in standby mode on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, you need to have standby mode displayed like this, and then just long press the clock and you'll need to unlock your phone. Once you unlock your phone, you can swipe up and down and you'll be able to see all the different styles that are available for standby mode. So they have some pretty cool ones here. Once you select the style that you want, if you want to change the color, select this little circle in the bottom right of that actual clock. And then they have different colors that you can select to change the color. They have some combinations. You can select those. So once you select the color that you want, select the X right there, and then select done to save your clock. And that'll be the new style and color of your clock. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.